So I'm in this town in Hungary called, wait for it, Mosonmagyaróvár, and I've camped up in this nice little spot beside a hotel, a thermal hotel, for €6 a night, and I get free access to the spa. Brilliant. But as I was setting up the tent, look what I found. Ooh, this. A bird's nest. Look at how delicate that is. It's beautiful. But what's also incredible about it is the amount of plastic that the bird has used. You see that black stuff there? That's fishing line. And if you turn it around, look at the construction of that. It's amazing. But that's all synthetic. Not all synthetic, but there's a lot of synthetic stuff there. You know, that's those fibers, that white stuff, are all plastic fibers. I don't know, stuffing from something. Same with the brown stuff. You see this white string. The only natural stuff there is what's green. Everything else is plastic. Isn't that amazing? Yeah, that's cotton wool. Wow.